So R&D Automation is a provider of automated packaging and robotic assembly solutions. We specialize in assembly, inspection, and packaging of consumer goods and medical devices. This application is our rotary sealer. It seals large medical devices. So part of the issue that a lot of our customers have is ensuring that the correct medical device is actually in the correct tray with the correct cover on it. So using the Cognex cameras, we're checking not only the tray, but the location and presence and absence of the devices, as well as matching that to the information on the Tyvek lid. We chose Cognex as a partner for a number of reasons. One of them is just their quality and reputation in the industry. They support us anytime that we run into any kind of issues. The other reason is just the variety of the tools that they offer in their software. On this particular application, we're doing not only measurement, inspection, but also presence, absence, and OCR as well. So having all those tools in one camera is very helpful.